Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Awesome Math number 30.
Awesome Math 30. Wow, can you believe we're up to 30?
Yeah.
So today we were doing a section on counting divisors.
Yeah.
So let's do an example because this is really neat. This is maybe your first really cool result in number theory.
Yeah.
So find the prime divisors of 180. How would you factor 180 into primes?
Well, 180 is 18 times 10.
Okay.
18 is 2 times 9. And 10 is 2 times 5. And then 9 is 3 times 3.
Okay.
So we have 2 squared times 3 squared times 5.
Alright, so I'm going to write it just a little bit bigger so it shows up on camera. So I don't know if the people sitting in Cincinnati can see that too. So we have 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. Okay? That's what 180 is. Now how can we use that to count the number of divisors of 180?
Well, for the divisors of 180, we have 3 choices for the 2's. We have 0 2's, 1 2, 1 2, and 2 2's. It's the same for the 3's. We have 0 3's, 1 3, and 2 3's, and then we have 2 choices for the 5's, 0 5's, and 1 5.
Okay. So all the divisors of 180 are going to have to use these primes.
Yeah.
Okay? So for the 2's,
We have that there's 3 choices for the 2's.
so there's 3 choices.
3 choices.
Okay? For the 3's,
There's 3 choices.
3 choices.
And for the 5's, there's 2.
Okay, and those 3 choices are, we can illustrate them. Here, we can pick 0 2's. If we pick 0 zeros. If we pick no 2's, so 2 to the 0, that's what I was trying to write.
2 to the 0.
1 3, and
No 5's.
no, I'll pick 1 5. And I can pick 0 or 1 for the 5's, I can pick 0, 1, or 2 for the 3's, I can pick 0, 1, or 2 for the 2's. This gets us a number 15, which is one of the divisors.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many total choices am I going to have?
Well, you have 3 choices times 3 choices times 2 choices,
Okay.
which is 9 choices times 2 choices, which is 18 divisors.
18. So I know, without knowing what they are, I know there are 18 divisors of 180.
Cool.
Cool, right?
Yeah.
Now, I think we have time. Do you want to try to list them out?
Yeah.
Okay. We used to find the divisors like this. So I would have, you talk, I'll write. We have 180 and we would list them out.
1 is 180, 2, 90, 3, 60, and then 4 is 45, and then 5, well,
5 is a tricky one. Remember 18 is 10, 180
it's
is 10 times.
36.
Yeah, 36. Good.
And then we have a 2 and a 3 for 6, so this 6 is 30.
6 times 30.
But
Good.
we don't have a 7.
We don't have a 7 in 2 times 3 times 5.
We don't have, and we also don't have 8.
We don't have an 8.
We don't have 3 3s.
Right.
But we do have 2 3s.
Yeah, we do have a 9. So it's 9 times what?
9 times 20.
20. Do we have a 10?
10, we have a 2 and a 5. So 10 is 18. 10 times 18. We don't have an 11. Well, we have a 3 and a 4.
Okay.
We have a 12. So 12 is 15.
12 times 15.
And then we don't have a 13, we don't have a 14, and then we're around the corner.
Or around the corner. So how many divisors are there? That's all of them. How many is that?
Well, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
What? Try counting them. Try counting them again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 times 2 is 18.
Right. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16,
18.
18. Yeah, just gotta be careful when you count by twos. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright. High five. Good job. Good job this morning, sweetie. This is a really cool fact in number theory. We know how to count the number of divisors without knowing the divisors. That's neat.
Yeah.
Alright. Good job, hon.